Shed Dog 1 submission for Tucker. The course is going to be the area, the rectangle between these cones, the fences, and back. Between these first two cones, this is the starting line, and this is the shed. Wait. Back up. Back up. Not you. Back up. You sit. Good. You wait. Tucker. Good. Good job. Oh, Tucker, you're released. There we go. Alright. Come here. Let's not mess with the cones, okay? Wait. Ready? Find it. Not the cone. Let's go. Find it. Not the cone. Find something else. My goodness. Wants to retrieve everything. Hey, not the cone. Hey, Tucker, leave it. Go find something else. Leave it. Find another. Hey, Tucker, turn around. Search. Yes, good. Oh, go get it for me. Oh, good boy. Yes, good job. Good boy. Yes, you get a treat. There you go. Yum. Good boy. Good job.